Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a versatile and expansive two-level home for sale. It is located on Wellington Avenue in Linstead, St. Catherine. It offers approximately 3,000 square feet of living space on a well-fruited 0.19-acre lot, making it ideal for extended families or income-generating opportunities. With 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms spread across 3 fully self-contained living spaces. This property provides exceptional flexibility and value. Section 1 has 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen, living room, laundry area, and attached garage. Section 2 has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living room, and laundry area. The upper level has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, bonus room, kitchen, living room, and front veranda. A detached building with a 2-car garage, storage area for a 650-gallon water tank ensures convenience and preparedness. The lot is adorned with mature fruit trees, including mango, breadfruit, ackee, banana, and papaya. Just 4 minutes to Linstead Town Centre for access to shopping, dining, schools, medical facilities, churches, banks, and more. Only 10 minutes to Linstead Toll Plaza. It offers quick access to North South Highway for smooth travel to Kingston or St. Anne's Bay. Call today to schedule your viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 316,000, Jamaican 49.9 million, Canadian 453.1 thousand, or £246,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.